Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to make it rainbow. Please take your pencil, take your eraser, take your colors. Take it your normal pencil. Don't make it sharp. Now we are going to start. First, at this corner and this corner we are going to make a cloud by using curve lines. 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my one cloud. One more cloud at this side. 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here my two clouds are there. Now in between two clouds I am going to make it rainbow. So one curve which is going down to the other cloud, one more curve to the other cloud, one more curve to the other cloud. So one curve on the upside, using equal space, one more upside, one more upside. You can count it. We have to make it 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more downside, 6, and one more upside, 7. These are the curve lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 line is done. Here is our sun. Here is few dewdrops and raindrops. Downside we will do a grass. Here our drawing is done. Now we are going to take it color. Take it sky blue color in a clouds. First cover the border. Now on another side, opposite side, cover the border, fill inside. Here my both the clouds ready. Now I am going to take it red color. Now I am going to orange color. Now going towards yellow color. Now I'm going to take it light green. I'm not going to according to a whip gear. Just I am giving a few shades in it. Here is our dark green. Do it slowly. Take it sky blue. And lastly, my dark blue color. Then my rainbow. Now few sky blue color in the sky. At a corner, few yellow color. Here too. I'm covering the sky, orange color in the sun. With the red color, some rays. Now again yellow color at the downside, few color downside there till down. Few light green color for showing the grass growing upside. Few dark green color line strokes showing as a dark green color bushes and a grass which is going downside to upside, and few flowers with a red color. Here our rainbow is dedicates. You can enjoy with the colors, lines, shapes. Thank you kids. Take care.